I look like a little egg. Hotel bathroom because I'm currently on vacation, but I thought that I would go through with you guys my Drunk Elephant skincare routine using the Littles for the past 2 months, and I kind of wanted to review it. So this video is going to be in depth on that, but I thought I would show you guys how I use the Drunk Elephant Littles in steps in skincare. So right now we're gonna go through my morning routine with Drunk Elephant and show you guys how I use the skincare, and then we'll do the nighttime. So this is my skin right now, and it's crazy because I've been eating like crap this entire vacation, and my skin has, you know, still been going strong and hasn't looked bad at all. I haven't broken out once, which is like unheard of. I get a little sick though, so bear with me. Okay, so in the mornings I actually haven't been washing my face just because I feel like it's a little bit unnecessary. In the mornings all I've been doing is just washing my face with some lukewarm water, so let's do that. Refreshing. And you pop. So first thing that I go in with when I am doing my Drunk Elephant morning skincare routine is their Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So I really like to hydrate my skin in the morning, even though I do have oily skin, like a gel-like consistency. Next thing that I will go into is one of Drunk Elephant's famous products. I think it's like one of their best-selling products, and it is the Sea Firma Day Serum. I like to use it in the morning for its like benefits, as far as like protecting, like amplifying the effects of like your sun protection. Yeah, this one is more like an oil, and it's a little bit more tacky. While I let that sit and dry, I am going in with the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. So this one is a vitamin C eye cream. I'm not a big eye cream person, but since I am in my 20s, I want to kind of start protecting my eyes and wrinkles and all that and be preventative. But honestly, I like to use it if I'm gonna wear under eye concealer, because I feel like it just lets my concealer go on smoother, and it doesn't like settle in any lines or anything like that. I really love this one, Eye Cream by Shiseido. I really love that one. And there's also one by Acure that I have that I also really love. So I would recommend one of those to you guys. If you are maybe dealing with under eye circles or like pigmentation in that area, maybe you might like this one better. The thing I'm gonna go in with is actually, I think, one of my favorite products in this entire Littles collection, and it is the Protini Polypeptide Cream. And this stuff is like a gel formula, and I think that's really great for my oily skin. Big fan with this. But it reminds me a lot of like the Aqua Balm one. Absorbed into my skin so quickly. I love it. Okay guys, last thing, and probably one of the most important steps in any person's daytime skincare routine, is SPF, and they have the Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense. This, I actually already have ordered a full size of this because I really love it. I have actually with me, I brought this with me on vacation, the full size of their just normal one without the tint, and I like it as well. However, I think for days that I'm not gonna wear makeup or not gonna wear anything, this one's really good because it doesn't give you any white cast, and I have really been enjoying this one. So this is how much SPF I normally use on my face. I believe they say you need to use like at least a teaspoon size amount. You're like using makeup and you're like, oh, this says it has SPF in it, blah. There's no way you're using enough foundation or powder in that makeup to actually give you SPF coverage that you need. SPF is really hard for me because it tends to break me out but this is one of the only SPFs that I've used that have not broken me out, and I really love it. Forget your neck, gals. Okay, now she's prime prepped and protected from the sun. So that was my Drunk Elephant morning part of my skincare routine. I will show you guys what I do in the nighttime and how I change out the products. Hey guys, welcome back. Right now I'm going to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine with Drunk Elephant. I'm going to be using the remaining products from the Littles collection, and the cleanser that this kit comes with is the Bestie Jelly Cleanser. If you have dry skin, I don't think that this is the cleanser for you. Like something with a little bit more moisture. It actually foams up a little bit, but not so much that I wouldn't consider this a foaming cleanser. Pat, 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 pat. Moderately dry, I'm gonna go in with a serum. And the serum that is included in this Littles kit is the Glycolic Night Serum. Exfoliant. Try to get off all the dead skin that is on the surface of your skin and make your skin look more bright and more new. I think this one has made the most difference as far as texture in my skin, and I have quite a bit of it since I am acne prone and also have some scarring here. Let that dry. And last thing that I put on my skin at night is their Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. So this is just a facial oil, and my oily skin really loves any kind of facial oil. Look at it, it's on its last drops. It feels really good, it sinks in really well. It makes me look really nice and plump and glowy. That's my nighttime skincare routine with just using Drunk Elephant products.